To do a half spin gather in NBA 2K26, start by moving toward the basket just like you would for a normal drive. Normally, a full spin gather is done by double tapping the square button, but the half spin gather is a little different. When you're on the right side of the court, rotate the right stick upward in half circle motion and hold it for a moment. You'll notice your player starts the spin but stops midway. That's the half spin. Make sure to briefly stop moving your left stick while doing this, because if you keep moving it, you'll trigger a full spin instead. If you wanna do it from the left side, just mirror the motion, rotate the right stick the opposite direction and hold. It takes a bit timing, but once you get used to it, it's great for creating space and throwing off defenders. If the move doesn't trigger, try standing still for a second before rotating the stick. That small pause helps register the half spin properly instead of a full one. And that's how to pull up the half spin gather in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.